In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to view things in the Finder by using different shortcuts to change the view on those items. This works well with lots of files, so if you've got loads of photos to organise, this can work well. But just for example, in this video, I'm going to be using my applications. So by pressing Command 1, we get the screen we already have, where the applications are lined up in alphabetical order. If we press Command 2, it'll change us to the list view, which we can also see here and click on. By pressing Command 3, it shows all of the items in columns with a bigger preview on the right hand side. And by pressing Command 4, it gives a gallery view of all of our items in this folder. And we can scroll along here to select which items we want and view information on the side. Finally, to close the Finder, we can't use Command Q because that quits and we cannot quit the Finder, but we can press Command W to close the window. Thanks for watching. Visit KazziCom.com for more information on IT solutions, Office 365, cloud solutions and many more services.